could, man. Boing, boing, baby. Do what I could, man. Boing, boing.
Yeah, so boat season's upon us. We're getting a lot of inquiries on this Saxdor 270 GT. If you've ever seen one, you definitely will remember it. So we're gonna run over to Crab Island and kind of show you some things on why this is a great boat for the area.
Boing, 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 baby. Do what I could, man. Boing, boing, baby. Do what I could.
We started selling them a few years ago, MarineMax. Now we are the sole dealer for Saxdor. It's just a very eye-catching boat. And not only is it eye-catching, but it just has a lot of features that you don't see on most 27-foot bow riders. One of the most notable things is that it has a cabin to get out of the sun, get the kids down there. You got some pets, it's getting too hot. This really big hardtop is another notable feature. I mean, full coverage for everybody back here in the cockpit. And then the seating in the back is really where I think it wins as far as a Crab Island style boat or any kind of entertaining in this area, because you can do it a picnic style, you can turn this into a full lounge. It just has a lot of different options. I'm going to kick back and enjoy the weather, do a little sightseeing. So if you'd like any more information on this boat, swing by MarineMax, Walton Beach, and ask for Jay.